What book are you going to read?
Let's go.
Go Dogs Go?
Mom, let's go. Okay, Papa, please.
Green light. That's right.
Party!
Party! It's a dog party. That was a good book. Greta, can you read the book to Daddy?
No. Whoa, yay!
Yay. Okay, all done.
Mom? Music?
You want some music?